Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with simple easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Simple app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account by following the on-screen prompts. After creating your account, link your bank account for seamless money tracking. Once linked, take a moment, familiarize yourself with the key sections, including your balance and spending categories. Next, set a clear budgeting goal for the month. Decide on an amount you'd like to allocate for each spending category. Use the Goals feature to create specific budgets for areas like groceries and entertainment. Monitor your spending by checking the app regularly. It's important to categorize your transactions as they occur. Simply tap on a transaction to edit its category if needed. If you're overspending in one area, adjust your budget accordingly. Make sure to regularly review your budget during the month. At the end of the month, analyze your spending patterns. Identify categories where you can improve for the next budgeting cycle. Consider adjusting your budgets based on your review insights. Finally, celebrate your successes and set new goals for the following month. Using Simple for budgeting helps simplify your financial life. Embrace the tools available to gain control over your spending habits. With consistent use, you'll build a stronger relationship with your finances. Budgeting with Simple is a step towards achieving your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.